Good day, teachers. We are from grade 12, group 4, section Azal.
And our co-researchers will be introduced the research title, statement of the problem, research design, research local, research respondents, and findings, conclusion, and recommendations.
Our research title, School Environment of Learning Motivation of Grade 12 Senior High School Student of Holy Child, and to explore the connection between the school environment and student motivation to learn. So,
Environment, a study of Hussein Mudassir Ibrahim, 2015, children need safe, healthy, and stimulating environment in which to grow and learn. During the school year, children can spend 6 to 8 hours at the school where the environment play a significant critical role in the child development.
Learning motivation is widely recognized as a crucial factor for academic learning and achievement throughout childhood and adolescence, according to Elliott and Dweck 2005. This study, using a quantitative research design, aimed to examine the impact of teachers on the learning motivation of senior high school students. Intrinsic motivation to learn involves engaging in learning opportunities because they are seen as enjoyable, interesting, or relevant to meeting one's core psychological needs. As a result, intrinsic motivation is associated.
This study will follow a quantitative research design. Using a descriptive correlation method, this approach is suitable for examining how two or more variables are related. In this case, the study aims to explore the connection between senior high school students' perceptions of their school environment and their motivation to learn. According to Creswell 2012, quantitative research focuses on testing objectives concepts using numerical data, which is usually gathered through standardized tools and analyzed with statistical methods. The descriptive correlation of design was chosen both outline how students currently view their school environment and to descriptive correlation of design was chosen to both outline how students currently view their school environment and to measure how these views are linked to their motivations to study. As state
Research local. The study will be conducted in Davao City, the regional hub of the Davao region, located on the southern eastern side of Mindanao, facing the Gulf with Samal Island across the water. The research will focus on grade 12 students at Holy Child College of Davao. The selection of participants will be based on the Learners Information System, or LIS, from the Department of Education, Region 11 Davao City Division. As of January 31, 2024, additionally, the study will be examined how the school environment influence the learning motivation of senior high students.
The study will include 228 grade 12 students from private schools, selected through simple random sampling to ensure fairness. Participants must be aged 16 to 19 and have been enrolled for at least one academic year. This ensures that they have enough experience with the school environment to provide meaningful insights into the impact of learning motivation. Following the recommendations by Fraser 1998 and San Juan 2022.
The level of poor learning motivation among the respondents yield the following results. Our intrinsic is overall 3.41 and extrinsic is 3.44 with an overall mean of 3.42. The level of poor learning motivation among grade 12 senior high school students based on intrinsic and extrinsic was found to be high. This suggests that poor learning motivation is consistently present among the grade 12 senior high school students.
And lastly, at the 5% level of significance, there is sufficient evidence for the strong positive linear relationship between school environment and poor learning motivation, with 0.345 R. Good day, everyone. I'm James Robert Barrera, and today I'll be reporting the findings of our research paper. Our study revealed the following key findings. School environment, which is our dependent variable, right? The level of school environment amongst the respondents was found to be high, with an overall mean of 3.43. Now, the breakdown of the school environment variable is as follows. Now, we have three: resource, support, and environment. Now, resource have a mean of 3.46, while support has a mean of 3.49. Now, lastly, environment has a mean of 3.33. Now, moving on to our learning motivation. The level of learning motivation among respondents was found to be. Now, moving on to our learning motivation. The level of learning motivation among respondents was found to be high, with an overall mean of 3.42. The breakdown of the learning motivation variables is as follows. Now, we have two, which is intrinsic and extrinsic. Now, intrinsic has a mean of 3.41. Now, extrinsic, on the other hand, has a mean of 3.44. Now, relationship between the school environment and learning motivation. Our analysis revealed a strong positive linear relationship between school environment and learning motivation, with a significance level of 5%. Lastly, our study highlights the significance of school environment and relationship between learning motivation among grade 12 senior high school students. Now, our independent variables are school environment and learning motivation. Now, mean values of those two. School environment has a means of 3.43, while on the other hand, learning motivation has a mean of 3.42.
Recommendations for future researchers. Future researchers are encouraged to explore the long-term effects for school improvement factors on students' learning motivation and investigating specific investigations that address the pure learning motivation part.
Recommendation for students. Students are engaged to make use of available school resources and seek academic support from teachers and peers to improve their learning, motivation, development, effective study habits, and managing wisely and staying engaged in the school activities can help enhance intrinsic motivation. Recommendation for teachers. Teachers should ensure the students have access to adequate learning resources and provide continuous support to address learning difficulties. They may also integrate teaching strategies that foster both integrate and exaggerate motivation, such as interactive discussion, the real-world application of lesson, and constructive feedback, encouraging a positive and engaged school environment can help students feel more motivated and valued in their academic journey.